Hey everyone, today I've got something really exciting to share with you, especially for all you WordPress developers out there looking to modernize your plugin development workflow. Have you ever felt that developing WordPress plugins could use a touch of modern development practices? Well, you're not alone. I recently came across an open source framework called ModulesPress, developed by Saad Nadeem, and it's designed to revolutionize the way we build WordPress plugins. It brings modern development practices to WordPress by incorporating concepts from frameworks like NestJS, Angular, and Laravel. Traditional WordPress plugin development can sometimes feel a bit outdated. ModulesPress addresses this by introducing modular architecture, inspired by NestJS, allowing for clear separation of concerns and reusable components, TypeScript and React support, PHP 8 Plus attributes, utilize decorators for cleaner and more declarative code, dependency injection, a powerful DI container that enhances testability and scalability. Full support for TypeScript and PHP typing ensures robust and maintainable code, and modern build tools for a smoother development experience. Blade templates. If you love Laravel's Blade templating engine, you'll feel right at home. ModulesPress is built on three core principles. Modularity first. Everything is a module, promoting better organization and reusability. Developer experience. Modern tooling and hot reloading make development enjoyable and efficient. Seamless WordPress integration. Works with WordPress hooks and the native REST API, adhering to WordPress coding standards. Before we dive in, make sure you have the following installed. WordPress. A running installation, either locally or on a server. Composer. Installed globally for managing PHP dependencies. Node.js and NPM. Installed globally for front-end tooling. PHP 8.1 Plus. ModulesPress requires PHP 8.1 or later. Git. For version control. First, we need to install the ModulesPress CLI globally using Composer. In your terminal, run Composer global require ModulesPress/CLI. After installation, you might need to add Composer's global vendor bin directory to your system's path environment variable. Check the Composer documentation for guidance specific to your operating system. Navigate to your WordPress plugins directory. Now, run the following command to create a new plugin. ModulesPress new. The CLI will prompt you for plugin name, plugin slug, plugin namespace and prefix, description, author information. After filling in the details, the CLI will automatically create the plugin directory structure, install Composer and NPM dependencies, generate configuration files, set up the root module, configure auto-loading. Once the setup is complete, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. Go to Plugins, Installed Plugins, find your newly created plugin, and click Activate. Let's take a look at what the CLI has generated. The plugin follows a modular structure. The SRC folder contains your PHP source code, SRC modules. Each feature is organized into modules. Views for Blade templates or React components. Resources. Source assets requiring compilation. Static. Uncompiled raw assets. Vendor. Contains production dependencies. The main plugin file. Node modules contains the npm dependencies. You'll also notice that the plugin comes with two admin menus as examples. Blade demonstrates using Blade templates. React example demonstrates integrating React components. Let's make sure to run the npm run dev command for the first time. ModulesPress integrates with Vite for an efficient front-end development experience. Vite will start the development server, and you can enjoy instant feedback as you develop. During development, ensure that development mode is enabled in your main plugin file. This enables hot module replacement and detailed error messages. Let's create a new module called Books to see how easy it is to extend functionality. ModulesPress make module books module. This command generates a new module in src modules books module. You can now add controllers, services, and views within this module. To handle business logic, let's add a controller to our books module. First, navigate to the module directory cd books module. Second, run the command modulespress make.controller books controller. Here, books controller is the class name. The D flag automatically creates a controllers directory if it doesn't exist. Important note, since ModulesPress uses BSR4 autoloading, class names are case sensitive and must start with a capital letter. After you've developed and tested your plugin, it's time to prepare it for production. Let's start to package our plugin. First, disable development mode. Set the development flags in plugin main file to false. Second, build front-end assets. Navigate first to the plugin root folder. Compile your front-end assets for production. npm run build. This command generates optimized assets in the build directory. Finally, package the plugin. Use the ModulesPress CLI to package your plugin, ModulesPress back, or the shorter version of ModulesPress command, just MB. This command performs several tasks. Removes development files and directories, like node modules, .git, and dev dependencies. Optimizes the Composer autoloader. Packages the plugin into a versioned zip file located in the artifacts directory. Your plugin is now ready for distribution. You can upload it to the WordPress.org plugin repository, distribute it through your own website, provide it directly to clients or users. ModulesPress brings modern development practices to WordPress plugin development, making it more efficient and enjoyable. With features like modular architecture, dependency injection, and modern front-end tooling, it's a powerful framework for building scalable and maintainable plugins. I highly recommend giving ModulesPress a try for your next WordPress plugin project. You can find more information and detailed documentation at modulespress.devsroutes.co. A big thank you to Saad Nadim for developing this innovative framework. I'm looking forward to exploring it further and possibly creating more tutorials on advanced topics. If you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on modern web development. Thanks for watching and happy coding!